What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernardo from the BTNHD, and if this is your first time checking me out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and get the latest and greatest on Lenovo products. So this week we are checking out Lenovo's Mirage 3D camera. Super excited to get this guy in the lab to test it out for you guys, but this video is all about unboxing first impressions, so let's get to it. So what's inside the box? Pretty self-explanatory, so let's start right here. Let's start with the paperwork. So it comes with a Lenovo Mirage camera with DreamWork safety guides and warranty. You have an additional, I would say, more warranty stuff showing you how to use the product, how to turn it on, different languages. I'm going to put that to the side. It has this nice little grayish pouch to keep it nice and secure. We have a USB to a USB-C or a Type-C, and this guy is for the power, so I'm going to plug it in here. Boom. And the other end goes to the Mirage camera. And one of the cool things about this, it comes with two batteries. Each battery is 2200 milliamps per hour. Lenovo is kind of stating on their site that it's going to last about 2 hours. So 2 and 2 got 4 hours of runtime. That's pretty cool. And now you have the beautiful Lenovo Mirage 3D camera with Daydream. I believe Daydream is a new technology from Google. So it looks like Lenovo partnered up with Google, and I definitely need to download the VR180 app on my iPhone to test that stuff out. Super light, and it does not have the battery. So I definitely need to plug in the battery to test that stuff out. All right, so we need to insert one of the batteries to get this guy up and running. So if you have the device facing this way, where you have the two 13 megapixel fisheye lens, at the very back, this is where you have your panel. This is where you insert your power. And I'm assuming you could also insert this USB to your computer. Definitely need to test that out. And this is where you insert your micro SD card. Awesome. So right next to this little housing it has to be, if I push down and slide down, battery compartment. Cool. So I gotta make sure the connectors are correct. I'm gonna put it right here. The Lenovo name is on top. It's not in the bottom, not like this. Do it this way. Wrong. The Lenovo has to go up. And we're just gonna slide it. Awesome. So hopefully the batteries are charged up. So I'm going to slap it and close. Awesome. So the Mirage camera has the following specs. It's rocking a Snapdragon 626 processor with 2 gigs of memory. It has flash memory of 16 gigs only. You are able to upgrade it using a micro SD card. The capacity of what Lenovo is stating, it goes up to 128 gigs. I do have a 512 and a 1 terabyte micro SD card. I would love to plug it in to see if it works. Never know. On the front side, it comes with dual 13 megapixels with a focus length of 2.1 lens. It is 180 by 180 field of vision. That's what you're getting with this guy right here. Video resolution, because you're able to take photo as well as video, and you're capturing it within 3D, but you're also able to view it in a 2D environment. But the resolution on the video is pretty awesome because you could record 4K 1440 as well as 1080p at 30 frames per second. That's pretty cool. You are able to live stream with the Mirage camera. I am definitely going to hook this up with my YouTube account for you guys to do a little live stream. The weight of the device is really light. I inserted the battery with you guys, and I think the average weight of this is about less than a pound, about 0.31. That's what Lenovo is stating. But I mean, it's extremely light. It's very fragile. I feel like if I drop it, it's definitely going to break. Now, it doesn't have a lot of ports on the top. It only has, right here, this guy right here is your shutter. This is your power button, which I'm going to turn it on. And your shutter right here turns green. It's blinking. This button right here is your function button. This allows you to cycle through photo, video and live stream. Again, I'm definitely going to test out the live stream, and there it goes. It's trying to locate. Right now, okay, so this right here is your indicator of your functions. So when you turn it on, it's definitely going to go on photo. So if I press the function, it's going to go to video. If I press it again, it's going to go back to photo. Cool. I definitely need to test out on the third function. I probably need to download the Apple or the Android app to get the live streaming function going. I do like the color. At the bottom, you are able to hook it up to your tripod. But the Mirage Camera definitely works with the VR headset that Lenovo announced. I do have that in the lab, so make sure you check out the unboxing. I'm going to be releasing that pretty soon for you guys. All right, so again, I'm extremely excited to get this guy within the lab, the Mirage Camera. A couple of things that I do not like about it is it doesn't have a LCD panel. So that means I have to use the iPhone or the Android phone app to have more control. It doesn't give me an indication of battery, which is not a good thing. It kind of auto shut off on me. I don't know how long it takes for it to auto shut off, so I got to figure out what's the deal with that. Retail price for this guy is pretty expensive. Its starting price is $299, $300. And this is, you're only going to be getting the camera. The camera works well if you're using the Mirage VR headsets, which I will be doing unboxing first impressions as well as a review for you guys. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing / first impressions of Lenovo's Mirage Camera. 3D allows you to capture photo and video in 3D. If you have any questions or comments, leave them at the bottom. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.